If you have recently had an argument with somebody, this is going to be your tarot reading where we're going to see what is it that is going on in this dynamic. This could be a platonic thing, this could be a friendship, this could be a relationship, any kind of an argument or a misunderstanding that is happening. We'll try to dig deep as to what you need to know, what is the advice, what is it that you are supposed to be learning from this, and everything about it. Okay, I think you have tried to find and be patient with this person for a very long time. I think ये ऐसा situation है जहाँ पे constantly you have been pushed on a brink of losing your mind, losing your peace, and I think you're kind of done with it. I think the most important realization is to make a decision whether you want this person in your life or not. I think that you have really tried to be so, you've tried to hold yourself back too much, and maybe this argument has happened where things have been said almost on a level where it has been a personal vendetta to irritate you. मतलब आपने patience दिखाया and the other person in front of you is like, why is this person patient so much? I want to trigger this person. I want to purposely trigger. So there has been a purposeful energy that has happened in this dynamic where आपके buttons को push किया गया है. You have been nothing but positive in this dynamic. Again, I'm not trying to, mollycoddle you and say good things about you, but you have been very open-minded. You have heard this person out all the time, but this person's weird opinions, this person's other external influences has really ruined this relationship that you had. So this person that you've had an argument with has learned something or has been saying something or has been influenced by something external and is trying to malign your relationship that you're having with this person. It could be a friendship, it could be a dynamic, it could be any kind of relationship. And now this person sometimes also is having an external dynamic with somebody and is using you as an outlet. You kind of feel a little hypocritical that this person is not able to tell the other person what they feel about them, but they come to you and they're like, yeah, isne aise kara, isne aise kara. You're just like, why are you not telling me? Why are you putting that negative load on me? Why don't you tell the other person? So what is happening is you're kind of done with this person's antics. आपको ना ये बचपना आपको थोड़ा irritate कर रहा है and you're getting a little sick of this kind of an energy because you don't actually have the time for it. Okay, so what is the advice? You have to be able to now think कि यार, I have to take a decision. I cannot surrender to this dynamic anymore. ये relationship हो गया, friendship हो गया. I can't surrender into it constantly. I cannot handle this messiness that is around. बहुत ही messy energy, बहुत ही very messy. This person is very dramatic, brings a lot of drama into your life, and you are just like done with this energy. So it's almost like you are deciding कि destructive energy है इनकी. You're deciding कि यार, this is not something that I want in my life, and you have to take a decision. Now whether this person is supposed to stay in your life or not, that is your decision to take, but you are going to take a decision, that's for sure.